The finished ball looks very nice. It's made out of birch and it has these nice patterns in there. It also has a little bit of spalting, but it looks pretty good. If you like this, please subscribe and like this video. Place a comment, share it with a friend. If you have any suggestions what I could make next, please leave a comment. And if you like this, also subscribe to my friends, the Russian woodworker and the Belgian woodworker. I'll leave a link in the description.